This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Chad Wiles. Own a piece of history with all the updates in Fountain City with character. This completely restored home adjoining a dogwood trail is situated on a corner lot and includes mature trees, 3-bed/2 full bath, custom kitchen, huge owner's suite with spa-like feel, fireplace, lots of hardwood and tile flooring, unfinished basement with 1-car garage, extra driveway area, can park up to 4 vehicles, fenced backyard, fire pit and too many extras to list. A contract to be contingent upon the sale, close and move-in related to existing seller purchase contract. Highest and best offers to be received on or before 8:00 Sunday, June 26, 2022. Seller to respond on or before 5:00 Monday, June 27, 2022. For more information, review the details below or contact Chad Wiles at 865-584-4000.